I've never seen a shelter like this before. Deep in the frozen wilderness of Siberia, where the cold is ruthless and survival isn't guaranteed, one man builds the ultimate stone shelter. No machines, no shortcuts, just basic tools and the forest itself. Inside, the cabin feels solid, spacious, warm. A stone fireplace keeps the cold locked outside, even while snowstorms rage beyond the walls. This is Jake, recently retired, burned out from normal life. Instead of settling down, he disappears into the wilderness, planning to live alone, off the grid. Jake starts by marking the ground, carefully planning the size and layout of the shelter. He finds a straight log, strips the bark, and turns it into a strong shovel handle. Simple tools, smart thinking. With everything ready, Jake starts digging. The ground is still soft, the cold hasn't fully set in yet, and that saves him hours of work. Next, he searches for stone. Hard, flat, strong. Each piece is shaped by hand, then carried back. Inside, Jake builds a solid stone fireplace. To seal the gaps, he mixes concrete, packing it tightly between the stones. No smoke leaks, no weak points. As the walls rise, Jake makes an unexpected discovery, a natural stream. That changes everything. He digs a shallow pit, runs a pipe, and now he has fresh water right at his shelter. The foundation is built in layers: stone, soil, stone again. Strong, stable, and incredibly warm. For the walls, only the best stones make the cut. Jake takes his time. Out here, mistakes cost you. Now comes the roof. Logs are cut to size, grooves carved by hand. Each piece locks into place. Rope tightens the frame. No nails, no noise. Insulation goes down first, then a waterproof layer. Heavy stones hold everything in place. Right on cue, the storm hits. Thunder, rain, wind. But inside, Jake stays dry. When the rain slows, he gathers dry grass from the hillside, spreading it across the roof. Then comes living grass, roots and all. Over time, it'll grow into the roof, locking everything together. Next, Jake builds the chimney, stone by stone, capped to keep rain out. Smoke flows clean. The fire breathes easy. The door comes next, a solid frame, a smooth swing. For color, Jake crushes natural plants, rubbing the pigment into the wood. No paint, just nature. Clear film becomes windows. Light comes in, cold stays out. Every crack is sealed with clay. Inside, stone slabs cover the floor, keeping moisture away. Outside, a few plants bring life to the gray stone. For a bed, dry grass in a sack, a sleeping bag on top, basic but warm. After a long day, Jake fires up the fireplace. Beef sizzles over the flames. The smell fills the cabin. He eats slowly, satisfied. With a hot drink by the fire, the silence settles in. Jake drifts to sleep. When he returns later, winter has arrived. Snow blankets the forest. Branches bend under the weight. The stone shelter stands firm. Jake clears the door, clears the chimney, builds a fire. Warmth returns. Hungry again, he roasts beef over the flames, warming bread and peppers beside it. The cold doesn't stand a chance. Outside, snow keeps falling. Messing around, Jake presses his face into the snow on the roof, laughs, then heads back inside. As night falls, the door closes. Fire crackles. Stone walls hold the heat. And deep in the frozen wilderness, Jake sleeps easy. By morning, he packs up, one last look at the shelter, then steps back into the wild, towards his next adventure.